Hey everybody, it's Darren Meyer from Darren's Premium Auto Detailing. Wanted to demonstrate a product for you today really quickly. So what you got in front of you here is my 2003 Ford F-250 6-liter diesel. This has been ceramic coated with Jade Quartz Pro, the 5-year coating. I did it several months ago. So the product I'm going to talk about today is of course by Detail King, and it's called Reboot 2.0 Silica Spray. So let's talk about what it is. I've said you have to maintain your ceramic coatings. I've said it in all of my videos. If you watch anything by me, you know that if you don't, it's not going to last. And if you consider a truck like this one here, it doesn't really have mud flaps, so junk's going to get kicked up all over your vehicle over time. So whenever I wash it, I use Detox Wash and Seal by Detail King. That's just a car wash soap. I can demonstrate that at some point. But this product is basically a topper coat. So what does that mean? That means it has trace amounts of SiO2 or ceramic coating in it. Okay? So it's real simple to use. You just shake it up, spray it on, wipe it off. Now, something like this I would recommend to be used every 3-4 months. At least. And the towels I'll be using, these are awesome towels. This is by the Rag Company, and they're called Creature Towels. I bought these prior to Detail King selling them. Detail King now carries Rag Company products, so you can buy them from the Rag Company or buy them from Detail King, whatever. So literally, you mist it on, as I said. Mist it on the surface of your vehicle. Got your towel, and you just wipe it off. And you kind of work it in as you wipe it off. So if you're a DIYer, you don't want to like scrub. You don't have to go hard. You just want to literally glide the towel across the surface of the paint. Okay? So you're not scrubbing. It's not like you're trying to scrub your stove or anything like that. You just want to wipe it gently. Now, if you've ever used a spray detailer or spray wax or anything like that, you will know that if you don't get everything off of the surface, as in the product itself, it will leave a little haze, if you will, behind. Same with this product, only it's more important you get something like this off as it contains SiO2. So you really don't want that to, dry to a haze on your paint, as eventually it could be challenging to remove. Okay, so once you do that, it's like I said, it's real simple. Wipe on, spray on, spread, wipe off. Okay, simple as that. Now, this product can be used on virtually any surface of your vehicle. All glass, all plastic, all rubber moldings, obviously all paint. You can't use it on the rubber of your tires. That's the only thing you really shouldn't use it on. I suppose you could, but I would not recommend it. So again, this is Reboot Silica Spray 2.0. Use it every 3-4 months with your ceramic coated vehicles. Or if you don't have it ceramic coated and you want to apply a very thin coat of SiO2 to your vehicle, you can buy and use this. So I hope this helps. I'll leave a link to the products down below. And please like, share, subscribe, comment.